Da-da-da. See how long we can wheelie for until the end of this road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just joking. I wanted to wheelie that whole road then, but it's fucking cars. I'm doing this video just for you guys. But yeah, it took me a while to figure out how to get the bloody chest cam on. Now I know, you know. But it's pretty comfortable actually, except for a few things. Delivery driver. Oh god, I don't like this side of the bridge, it's slippery as hell. Yeah. There you go, we're off that part now. Ugh. These wheelie bikes, honestly, they're really good. Except for one thing, they have no gears. Which is also a good thing, because it gets your fitness up, I guess. Yeah, we're heading into town right now. Something does not feel right with this bike, though. And I just don't know what it is. I felt it when I was bleeding off that bridge. Whatever. Oh, now it's alright. Might be my handlebars going sideways because I was bleeding for such a long time. And it's windy, as you can tell. My handlebars go like that. But yeah. When it's windy, my handlebars turn sideways. And they do not like to stay straight. So yeah. Now we'll go to the car park because, yeah. Yeah. Town is a bit dodgy, but I mean, it's raining today, so I don't think there'll be people walking around, but still. But yeah, as long as you got some nice clothes on, it's not bad riding in the rain weather. Just got to get changed when I get home now. And some nice clean clothes. But if you guys are enjoying this video so far, then I'd appreciate if you smash the like button, subscribe also, turn the post notifications on so you know every time I upload a YouTube video. But yeah. Oh god, it looks like it's busy today, yeah. Why are there so many people for? Oh. Oh god. The security guard hasn't been here in a while. Wow, looks like it's the perfect day for the chest cam. Oh. There's nowhere else to go, it's raining like. You haven't been here for ages, so you're just talking nonsense. He's always unexpectedly there, isn't he, that security guard? God. Gotta ride in the rain wet now, because of him. Ridiculous. Security guards, man. I mean, well, council, I mean, not security. Alright, we'll ride through town, I guess. Did your phone stop ringing? Did your phone? Right, just for you guys to know, my mountain bike is currently broken, all sorts of issues, but when it's fixed, we'll be back on that, so don't worry about that. Oh, thing coming back up. Straight away I've noticed as well, I've got out of my house, and I'm pretty confident filming and talking, especially when there's people walking past. Never used to be like that before, but yeah, you can't get too confident when you're in town though. But yeah, you know what I mean. Almost died by taxi. Oh God, tell me we're not gonna get kicked out of here now. A little seat stand. Ooh, first try. Nice indeed. Let's do a little peg stand now. Ooh. This camera is actually perfect for the in and out challenge, Wayne Taylor. I have got a video of an in and out challenge on my channel. You guys gonna go ahead and watch that? Sainsbury's, pretty sure it was. I don't really remember off the top of my head, but yeah. Swervo! By the looks of it, there's not much places to go because security is stopping us. Not security, the council. I don't know why I keep saying that. Little death spin, considering we got the road to ourselves. I just did a circle death spin. What am I talking about? I don't even know how to do a death spin, so I just did a circle. There's no way there's no cars on this road. There actually isn't, that's mad. Shut up! My brake finger is cold. I'm surprised I'm doing this. You may as well go to the beach, I guess. Terrible British weather. I see. The camera looked a bit black there for a second, but it's because we're in the dark, so we're going to get out of this dark and go somewhere where there's lights and tracking. Nice carve there. Hopefully you guys can see now. Oh, the wind is blowing me. Oh my god. Oh, puddle. I guess we'll just ride around instead of doing wheelies because it's windy here. That's better. This whole road to ourselves. Just about. That's what I mean, people like that, like, they just shout stupid things. Nothing else bad to do in life, you know? Which way is he going? Car behind us, so yeah. Oh. Finally we have lights. Yeah, I checked the camera and it was dark, so it'd be pretty annoying if you guys didn't see anything, but I'll still upload it to the channel for you guys. Little bonk tire there. I don't know why, but these wheelie bikes are just so much fun. Like, yeah. And it's dark again. I got my flashlight on my phone, but it doesn't seem when I'm looking on my camera that it's working. But whatever. Got these fresh, nice white Air Forces as well. Looking nice. I don't even really know where I'm going because it's so dark. Oh, now I know where I am. Stopped raining, I just realised that as well. last time I went to the beach at night time, something really weird happened. There was these people walking towards me. One of them looked like they had something in their hand or something. So we've got the camera this time to capture it, hopefully. Oh, it's windy. Oh boy. Let's go down this way because the wind is blowing this way. It's really fucking windy this way. Or can we? There we go, it's gone away now. Ah! Wind is blowing me. Okay. The wind is gone and now it's come back again! How am I keeping this up? Jesus. I can crank flip this wheelie bike as well. There's the building, the famous building that I climbed. Just search up Caleb Wiggins, which is my name on YouTube, and you'll see I got a second channel where I do some climbing stuff. But yeah. Oh, actually, is it gone now? I don't know, the building's still there, I think. Oh, I can't see nothing. Great. Right, we'll go on the pathway, shall we? Cannot see anything. I'm relying on this torch right now. Oh shit, there's a fence right there. It's a problem. Cannot see anything. This is the issue that we have. Okay. Oh, there's a car. Fuck off. This would be the third or fourth time I've got wet today. Maybe second, actually. Anyway, this is a nice road that we just came up, so I'll take a wheelie down there now. This is the road where I seen that weird guy. Perfect for wheelies. Yeah, I was actually just down here where I'm on this bump right here. Looks like he was holding like a black, I didn't even know what it was, weird thing coming towards me, and there was like 2-3 girls. I don't know, probably drunk or done drugs or something, I don't know. I'm just going to places I haven't been to before, so well, actually I think I came this way just now. I don't know. These are like houses and stuff. Let me just check something, guys. Let me face the camera a little bit upwards a bit. There we go. Just don't trust it. One bad thing about these cameras is somebody could just snatch it off you. But yeah. Oh god, it's windy. And we're back the way we just came, so I'm gonna go to a different place. Gonna get some speed down here. The wind is blowing me. On the pegs. Oh God. This is a bad idea. Something's telling me it's a bad idea. I'm literally going side to side. Not a very good time to swim on. It's just really windy, like. See if you can wheel to the end of the road. Surely we can. Almost there. Oh God, that's actually a long way. I think I'm gonna drop here because it's windy. Oh, yeah. It's always the wind, I blame it. Hope you guys saw that. The wind just fucking blew my front tyre side to side. Jesus. And you're the bloody wind as well. Tunnel to wheelie through. Nice little peg stand there. Anyways,